Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to post draft video on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Creating TikTok content is multi-step. Most videos require many takes, reward, and edits to perfect. This process can take several days, requiring you find a place to store your half-finished and unpublished videos. Saving content to your TikTok draft folder allows you to return and edit videos at your leisure. Other TikTok users can't see what's your draft folder, keeping your budding masterpiece hidden until they're ready to share. And in this video, I will show you how to share your draft on TikTok. So how to do it? So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can go to your profile. You can open your draft. I have some draft on my TikTok, and I will post one of them. I will post this one. You can tap on the draft that you want to post. You can edit first. Maybe you can add a caption on here. You can add hashtag and mention someone. You can add location. And don't forget, you can manage the privacy setting. You can view your post. Now you can post your draft. Tap on post. So now your draft videos or photos on TikTok has been posted. Anyone on TikTok or your friend on TikTok can see your videos that you just post. It's so simple, right? So that is how to post draft on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!